What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Godzilla Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a large circle for the head. We're gonna start at the very top. Let's start with the left side and go all the way around. Come down the side and then bend that back in towards the center of our page. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the right side. So we're gonna slowly work our way around and then blend that in towards the bottom. Now with our circle in place, let's draw the top edge of the muzzle. We'll start over on the left side. Let's draw a curve that goes up the middle and then back down. And we'll curve this around and then down towards the bottom. Let's leave a gap and draw a curve for the mouth. We're gonna go up and then down. And we're gonna add 4 sharp teeth. Let's start in the middle, come down and up towards the left, and then the right side. And we'll add 1 more on either side. Let's move up to the top, draw 2 small ovals for the nostrils and fill those in black. Now with the muzzle in place, let's tuck the eyes in behind. We're gonna leave a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, we're gonna draw a large circle. We're gonna go all the way around, come around the side, and then pull that in. Let's line this up on the right. Going all the way around towards the same height, come down the side, and then back in. Let's draw a smaller circle in the center of each eye. Start from the very top. We're going to go all the way around and then back up. And then along the top, we're going to add 2 straight angle lines for the brow. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the outside of the eyes. Now we're going to add those spikes across the top of the head. Let's start right in the middle. We're going to come down toward the left, and then the right, leaving a gap on top of the head. Angle this up and out, and then come down and then in on top of the head. Let's move all the way down, draw 2 straight angle lines going across the body. Let's start on the left side. Draw a straight line, come all the way down to right above there. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing, coming down and out toward the same height. And we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now in the center of the body, we're going to add in the hands. Let's start on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and then down. Let's leave a gap and do the same thing on the right. And we'll add in the claws. On the left side, come down and up. Now we're going to add 3 sharp fingers on either side. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw another straight angle line. We're going to come down and out in behind the hand. Continue down towards the bottom. And then do the exact same thing on the right side. And then we'll add some texture inside that center panel with a straight line going across the top. And we're just going to work our way down towards the bottom. Now over on the right side, we're going to add the tail. Let's start from the bottom corner of the body. We're going to bend this out. Come in and then back out. Now I just want to taper it so the tail gets thicker as you come back in towards the body. Let's add those spikes across the back. Starting from the top, we're going to go out, in. Now the center one is going to go a little bit longer. Add a shorter one across the bottom. Let's leave a gap and do that again. Let's add those same spikes across the top of the tail. We're going to go a little bit smaller. And we'll add 1 more. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Godzilla Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.